In this video, you will learn how to install the Go device using a Geotab standard 16-pin T-harness kit in a 2022 or newer Ford Transit. You may need a variety of tools to perform this installation. Make a note of your Go device's serial number for future reference. Geotab's standard 16-pin T-harness kit is used for multiple types of OBD-II installations. There are several mounting adapters for different vehicle types. For this vehicle, adapter 3 will be used. Begin by preparing the harness. Place the adapter onto the female short end of the harness. Ensure it is seated correctly and that the slots for the metal C-clips are visible. Next, snap in the metal C-clips on each side of the connector to lock the adapter into place. In this vehicle, the diagnostic port is located under the driver's dashboard. Remove the dash panels to access the diagnostic port. Remove the diagnostic port from its factory location. Next, take the female short end of the harness that was prepared earlier and mount it into the factory diagnostic port location. Attach the diagnostic port to the male end of the harness. Ensure it is locked into place. Secure the connection using a cable tie. Trim any excess tie. Attach the harness to the Go device. You will hear 6 beeps and see a momentary flash from the red, blue, and green LEDs. Secure the harness and the Go device using a cable tie. Trim any excess tie. Mount the device to a solid part of the frame under the dash. When mounting the Go device, ensure the bottom has a good line of sight to the sky, with minimal metal obstructions. Use at least 2 cable ties as shown. Trim any excess tie. To ensure the quality of data, the Go device must not move in any way. Turn on the ignition to verify the device is working properly. First, the LEDs on the front of the device will start blinking once the device connects and receives power. Then, the LEDs will turn solid once the device configures and connects back to the network. The red light indicates ignition detection. Green indicates cellular network connection, and blue indicates GPS network connection. Use additional cable ties to secure any excess wiring. Trim any excess tie. Reattach the dash panels that you removed earlier to complete the installation.